What if every time someone sneezed, they created hundreds of glittering stars instead of droplets? Picture this. A child feels that familiar tickle in their nose, takes a deep breath, and achoo. Suddenly, tiny twinkling stars float upward, sparkling like diamonds for exactly 1 minute before dissolving into shimmery dust. During allergy season, entire cities would transform into magical planetariums with floating star fields everywhere. Children would learn constellations by watching their own sneeze patterns dance across the room. Bedrooms during cold season would become enchanted with gentle twinkling lights overhead. Toddlers would start each morning creating beautiful star displays that fill their rooms with wonder. Playgrounds would echo with giggles as kids coordinate sneezing games to paint the sky with sparkles. Bedtime would be magical, with sneeze-created ceiling stars serving as natural nightlights. Every tissue box would become a star-making kit, turning stuffy noses into astronomy lessons. Being sick would create celestial beauty instead of misery. The common cold would become the most wonderful time of year,